Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And now I'm going to show you how to download and install a new font style for your desktop. You can use it for Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, Photoshop, basically with every software installed in your computer. So let's start. First, open your browser and go to thefont.com. Go on and select the font you like. Let's say you want this one. There's a download button on the right side. Click it and it will download automatically. Once the download is complete, open the zip file by clicking it. Look for the .ttf or .otf file. Double click it and look for the install button. Once installation is complete, you can now use your new font. Let's try it. And that's it. You now have your new font. So if you like my video, please leave a like, your comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.